This conference will now be recorded.
Hi all, this is I'm from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. So this is Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited is a IT training, consulting, and outsourcing software development company. You are looking for you have done BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, any graduation, still you didn't get job. Try to join Nandini Software Technologies, Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. Try to get the job by learning the ETL tools and the cloud technologies and testing tools. Any one of the course. So for every 1 week, we are starting one new batches, guys, from this institute. So if you're interested to learn any software training and reach out this number, whichever is mentioned in this 9538160185. So we're going to start Azure Data Factory, Databricks Cloud ETL tool. We're going to start from new batch from the 1st April. The class timings 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is having online classes. So Azure Data Factory, it is very good demand in the market because of this is a cloud ETL tool. You don't need to install any software. We can simply by using the URL we can develop our projects in the cloud system. We can implement it. So that's why it is very good demand in the market. Lot of openings are there in India as well as USA and Switzerland and Singapore. Canada, they have a lot of openings in Azure Data Factory, Databricks. This is the Microsoft company is developed. So that's why if you learn Azure Data Factory, it is very good in the market. So try to learn it if you're interested to learn any software training. So along with we're going to teach some more technologies like so there is a Talend ETL tool we're covering. We're going to explain in this new batch, one more new batch. So there is a Talend ETL tool. We're going to start from 4th April. The class timings morning 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. If you're interested to learn Talend ETL tool, reach out this number, WhatsApp it. So it is available in Bangalore Marathalli branch, Marathalli. So if you're interested to learn Python testing, Python also very good in the market right now. That's why if you learn Python, whether you can do development or testing. So we're going to cover both side, Python automation testing and Python development. So if you're interested to learn Python, try to automation testing or manual testing, API testing, framework, this and all we're covering. So the new batch is going to start from 6th May. 3 days back we have started new batch. So the next batch we are going to start from the 6th May at 8 a.m. So call this number if you're interested to learn Python. So along with we are going to start some more technologies, IBM Datastage. So this is the IBM Datastage, also very good calls coming nowadays. So if you're interested to learn IBM Datastage ETL tool, we have both offline. Number if you're interested to learn IBM Datastage ETL tool. So along with we're going to start one more Azure Data Factory morning batch. So we have both morning and evening batches are there. So that's why if you're interested to learn Azure Data Factory and Databricks morning batch, so then the morning batch is going to start from 22nd April at morning 7:15 a.m. by Mr. Ram. So he's having 13 years of experience in the IT industry. So reach out these numbers if you're interested to learn Azure Data Factory. The same thing, Azure Data Factory evening batch is going to start from. So this is the April month. It's April first week. See, for every month, first week we will start April first week, April first week or second week. We will start one new batch. For every month, we'll start one new batch, guys. So for the Azure Data Factory, reach out this number. Okay. So for talent also, for every month morning we're going to start one new batch. So like 8:30 to 9:30 or 9:30 to 10:30 batch. Okay. Thank you guys. Along with we have Devops also in my institute. If you're interested to learn any technology, reach out this number. So the highlights of this institute is like we'll provide the project explanation, interactive online and offline classes are there. So recording videos will provide, real-time scenarios will provide, materials will provide, resume preparation, mock interviews, doubts and clarification, interview questions and answers will explain it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. So it is reach out these numbers.